Hi everyone. I see all the time on YouTube people searching or explaining how to wash the keyboard and the laptop like this. Is like very dirty, very sticky. So I have seen my customers bring the laptops like faulty, like water going inside, like something like new laptops now. Laptop like this. So this, if you spill water inside, it's finished, it's done, and it's expensive to change because it's not the keyboard only. You need all the palm rest, and it's like a metal thing, you know. It's like very expensive. Okay, so this today is, you can remove the keyboard, you can change it if it's going faulty. But you don't have to do this. Like every time you clean the laptop, you need to change the keyboard, or some water going to the speakers, or to the power button, to the touchpad, in the motherboard. So it's very easy, very easy. Take a cloth, whatever, to be a little bit clean, and wash it like in very hot water. So it's like hot water. Be careful your hands. Not very hot, but it's nice. Never do this like to spray, because you don't know how and where you're gonna spray. Remove the battery, remove the power lead, so it's not power in the laptop. Start doing anything crazy. And if you have another cloth like dry, you can suck the water straight away. You can use a toothbrush. This is very dirty. Like, I buy new keyboard and I don't waste my time cleaning this, but anyway. And every time you spill water, turn the laptop straight away like this and leave it somewhere, or like this, so the water is dripping down, it's going outside, not inside the motherboard. it's ready, it's fresh, no sticky. The other time customer said he used some wipes to clean the laptop, and you know, these are like cream inside, or like, and he left all night the laptop, no drying, so everything, like all this water, the cream was running inside all night in the keyboard, and he came with faulty laptop, and he asked if we can fix, so like only for the keyboard, because it was new laptop, £200. Anyway, thanks for watching, bye.